Hi everyone, am I audible to you? Can you just confirm me this? Hello, am I audible? Can you confirm me? Okay, great. So we'll just wait for some time, let everyone join in. We'll just start off then. Okay, guys, let's just start off. This side, Abhipsha Guha. I am your mentor for the next 6 weeks to continue with this internship. So today is our orientation session. So I'll be like telling you in brief or in details related to with all of the stuff that we will be covering in this like 6 weeks of internship, how the internship will start off, how we will be proceeding. Each and everything will be explained in details. Okay, guys. I do have an like request to you. So whenever you have any question, any query, you just unmute yourself and ask whatever be your doubts. If not, whenever I am suppose asking you anything, just try and interact, because interaction is the key. We need to interact with each other, because without a proper interaction, a thing cannot go further, right? So I'll just ask you people to interact with me, because you have the access of mic. You can just switch on your mic and tell me whatever you want, like related to the stuff. And also, if needed, if you are not liking to switch on the mic, your chat box is open. You can type it down there. We'll see it from there. Fine. So we'll go one by one, like we'll go accordingly, right? First, we'll just go ahead and I'll just discuss all of the steps, what are required and what are there in this whole internship program. After that, we'll just connect with each other. Eventually, you can just unmute yourself and tell me whatever be the details on if you are having any queries or anything like that, and we will move it like this. And in between also, if you have anything to say on, you can just switch on your mic and tell me. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, guys? Great. Why don't you switch on your mic and tell me, like, what is the issue? You do have the access of the mics, right? You can switch on. Great. We'll just move ahead then. I am just sharing my screen. You please confirm me, is my screen visible to you or not? Fine. Is it visible, guys? Can you see
No,
my
ma'am.
screen?
Well,
Okay, fine. Just a moment. Let me just reshare it. Is it visible now?
yep, yes.
Great, great. So, welcome all on board in the orientation session of the data analytics batch. So, this is actually, we are going ahead with this data analytics batch where we want to go ahead in details about all of the stuff that will be discussed one by one. So, this is the first day and this is the orientation session. Okay. So, we'll just move ahead. So, it's just a 6-week internship program about data analytics, where you will learn all of the things from scratch to the advanced level. Okay, so welcome you all to the data analytics family. So today marks the beginning of our journey into this fantastic world of data. Okay, so we'll just move ahead then. Okay, so this is all about the program. So this is a duration of 6 weeks. The course, this is the offline session that will happen, and the timings that will be kept is 5 p.m. from Monday to Friday. So it will be around 1 and a half hours of session every day where everything will be given and make you understand from scratch. This internship is a combination of both the theoretical as well as the hands-on. It's just not that you'll be given the theoretical knowledge on, right? So here the theory, as you know, right, when you want to go ahead with the hands-on, you need the theory part. So first we will clear your theory, then you'll be moving to the hands-on section. Here in this session itself, I'll tell you first the theory section, then we'll move in to the after the theory section is done, we'll just move into the hands-on. So it is divided into 6 weeks, that is 1 month and 2 week session would be there, 1.5 months. You can clearly see it like that. And based on that, we can just take into count. Fine. So, what is the course structure? So, this is the course structure basically. So, first week we will be starting off with the data analytics fundamental. Plus, we will be assigning with the Excel essential as well, because that is a mandatory tool to know to work in through, right? Next is the next is week two. Just a moment, let me just present it down, then everyone would be able to see it, right? So next is week two, where we will be covering the advanced Excel section along with the SQL basics. Fine. Next, comes the third week, where we will be covering Python, R, Python programming, and the R programming. As you all know, for data science, data analytics, along with AI ML engineers, for everyone, Python is a must know, right? So along with that, R is also essential. R programming is very much essential for data analysis. So we will take into account that on week 3 along with the ETL fundamentals. Okay. Then moving on to week 4, where we will be considering the data visualization with the tools like Power BI, Tableau, and we will do it from very scratch. Very scratch means from downloading Power BI, Tableau to understanding the interface of it, then moving ahead and building a professional dashboard out of it. Okay. Then we'll do the ETL integration. Then in the V5, we'll do the generative AI and automation in data analytics. We'll just move ahead. Sixth week is the final project where you will be given with a capstone project and you have to work with that. That would be the integration of all of the tools that you have learned from week 1 to week 5, and you need to deploy your project. So this week, sixth project would be a group project where you need to just combine with other members of the groups so that you can make it better and large, right? Understood, guys? Am I audible? Is it understandable?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we'll just take it down a bit more in details, like how and what we will be covering now. Okay. So this is the PDF. I guess you'll be receiving it in your WhatsApp group. From there also you can take it. First, the tools and technologies that we will be using up here, that is Excel, Advanced Excel, SQL, like you can use the MySQL bench, like the workbench that you can use it. Excel, Advanced Excel, of course, you will be using it. Microsoft Excel actually. Next, along with that, the Python, basically, you will be using it. You can use any of the ID, Python ID. Maybe you can use the Anaconda, like the Spider ID, or it would be better if you can use the Collab notebook, right? Google Collab. Then R you'll be using with R Studio, Tableau that is the Tableau Public that you'll be using it, Power BI dashboard, desktop actually, Power BI desktop version you'll be using it, ETL, generative AI, then you'll be using either like the Chat GPT maybe or any of the other like the generative AI tool, and lastly, the capstone project, right? So we'll just move in from week 1. So week 1, so this week we will begin with your journey into the world of data analytics by understanding the core concepts, workflow, and real world application of analytics. Okay, so you will learn to use Microsoft Excel, one of the most powerful and widely used tool for data analytics, to clean, organize, and to like analyze data efficiently. Fine. So this is the week 1 where the fundamentals like data analytics fundamental and the Excel essential will be given into count. Fine. Next week, so these are the stuff that you'll be understanding. The PDF will be shared to you. Along with that, week 2, that comes with the advanced Excel plus SQL basics. So in week 2, you will take your data handling skills to the next level actually. Okay. So after mastering the basics of Excel, you will now explore the advanced Excel features that make data analytics fast and more powerful. Okay. You will also get introduced to the SQL, that is the structured query language, and along with that, the language used to interact with the database, right? Like SQL is a must-have skill that is required for every data analytics. Okay, So there in the advanced Excel section, you will learn about the lookup function, pivot table, pivot chart, data validation, then conditional formatting. All of this you'll be learning. In the sequel, you'll be learning from the very scratch, that is introduction to database and SQL, moving down to filtering, sorting, like then aggregating data using SQL, and eventually you will learn how you can connect SQL to Python, how you can see connect SQL to like Power BI, maybe Tableau, any one of them, so that or even to Excel, so that you can take the data from the database directly and work on it. Fine. Next, we'll just move ahead to week three. So in week three, basically we will be including to Python R for data analysis along with the ETL fundamentals. So in week three, you will begin your hands-on journey into the programming of data analytics. So you'll learn how Python and R, two of the most popular language in the data analytics, you'll be learning those. You like how you can use like how this programming is used to clean, analyze, visualize data effectively and efficiently. Alongside, you will also understand about ETL. So what ETL is? It is extract, transform, load, process. Okay. So a core concept in managing and preparing the data for analysis. Everything you'll be understanding in week three. It's not about only the theoretical part, there is hands on. Here in the session, I'll be writing it down the code, I'll be making you understand. Eventually, you will be also performing here in the session and we'll move ahead. Okay. So in ETL, basically, we will be going down from extract, transform, load to the importance of data cleaning, data transformation, introduction to the tools and the workflows of ETL. Fine. Moving down to week four. Week four, there we will be considering the data visualization with Power BI and Tableau and ETL integration. Okay, so here in week four, you will explore how to turn raw data into meaningful visual stories using two or more powerful business intelligence tools. Fine. So two, as I mentioned, because here we will be including Power BI, Tableau. In advanced Excel also, you can create dashboard that we will be learning, and that you will be learning from very scratch to the very company standard level. Okay. So you will also learn how to connect the integrated data from ETL pipelines into this visualization platform to create interactive dashboard and meaningful reports. Fine. Up to this, everything is clear, guys. Any queries?
No.
Great. So we'll just move ahead to week five. So week five. So in week five, you will step into the future of data analytics. Okay, where AI intelligence, like the artificial intelligence actually, and the automation makes data process, reporting, insights faster and smarter. Okay, you will explore how generative AI tools like you can say Chat GPT, Copilot, and others, maybe Gemini you can include in, can help automate repetitive analytical tasks like generating like insights and even assist in creating dashboard reports and predictions. Fine. So this is the week five section. So in generative AI, we will be covering up like the introduction to generative AI to the roles in analytics, going down to prompt engineering, how one can write a proper prompt to get the best out of the this AI bots, right? Next, going down to the automation section, there you will be learning from the very basic scheduling and automating at least ETL reporting processes, along with integrating AI into analytics pipelines. Fine. So all of it you'll be learning in week five. Moving down to week six. So week six, like in week six, you'll bring together everything you have learned throughout the course from data analytics and visualization to automation by working on a capstone project that simulates a real world data analytics challenge. Okay. Alongside, you will also focus on career development, preparing yourself for the internship, jobs, and the opportunities in the field of data analytics. Okay, so the capstone project, what it is, like you will apply all the learned skills like Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, R, Tableau, ETL, AI, everything together, like working with real and simulated databases and datasets. Okay, performing end-to-end data analytics and building a final report and dashboard. Fine, presenting insights and recommendations. Great. Hope everything is clear. Like, what is the work through week by week, how we will be proceeding? Is it clear, guys?
Yeah, ma'am.
Great. So, we'll just move in then. Okay, so this is 6 week. I have like totally discussed what we are supposed to do and how we are supposed to do. Then the tools and technologies. These are the tools and technologies we will be using up in the whole internship. All these technologies you will be learning from very scratch to the advanced level. Advanced level means the industry standards. And here you will be working with real time, real data. Okay, where that will be helping you to understand each and everything from scratch. Like, I know you people are from colleges or some are the pass outs, so you people have the some of the theoretical knowledge but not the hands on. So here we actually bridge the gap between the knowledge and the hands on. Fine. So moving down, the learning approach that we will be taking it is concept based, but plus the hands-on learning. We will first come first. That is the learning. That is the major in the lessons. Like the sessions will be there in this internship where the lessons will be given to you. Then the practice session. If we are going ahead with the lessons, then after that only we will keep the practice session where you will get the hands-on in the sessions itself. Okay. Then the build means the weekend projects will be given to you so that you can understand and learn from each and every week the task that would be given to you. Okay, once you build the project, you need to deploy your project, and once it is deployed, you need to share. You need to share your project in your GitHub repository. Fine. Moving down, so the weekly learning plan that we have decided over here. So there would be Monday to Friday theoretical sessions. So I have written theoretical session. That doesn't mean like only theories will be taught from Monday to Friday. It is not possible because it is internship. It is not a college, right? So in the theoretical session, you will be understand the topics, the algorithms, the theories from the very basics, moving down to the form where you can understand it and apply it here itself in the session itself. Okay. So you'll be having daily sessions from Monday to Friday from 5 p.m. Like we will focus on the core concept. It will include the explanation, examples, and the quick recaps with the hands-on, like writing the code from very scratch. If I am going down to like suppose the first week, if we are just trying with Excel, each and every like points will be explained with the help of the like I will be opening the Excel sheet in front of you and doing that in front of you, and you also have to do it with me inside the session. Fine. After the theoretical session comes the mini project. So mini project, on every Friday, that mini project will be shared on your WhatsApp group. So weekly mini projects will be given to you. You have a deadline like Monday, like on Monday. By Monday, actually the session will start. So by Monday, you have to complete your mini project. Okay, there will be details and the submission links that would be shared in your WhatsApp group. So why it is? It helps you to build the hands-on experience. Like next, when you are like moving it down, you need to have some of the experience set in hand. Like you have to work with real time projects, right? So for that, actually, this mini project is all about. Then the presentation session, like the project presentation. So first week on Saturday, Sunday, you need to complete the project. Next week on Monday and Tuesday, you will be given the time to present your mini project from scratch in the class, in the session. Okay, so you have to share your approach, your code, your outcome, everything from the very beginning, how you have started thinking, moving down, how you have gone ahead with, till the outcome that you have achieved. Everything should be, you have to explain, that is, you have to present it in the session. Okay, then after it's done, you will be getting the feedback from me. Since I am your mentor, I will be giving you a detailed feedback on it. You have to take the feedback seriously. Once, like suppose if your project is good enough, you can go ahead, that's fine, that is a great news. If not, whatever the suggestions that I'll be telling to you, you need to do it, you need to implement that into the project, and then only you'll have to submit those. Fine. Let's just move ahead. So theoretical session, why we are keeping it and how we are keeping it. So theoretical sessions is, it is the foundation, right? So you are more focused and you're strong, like I can say it, like when you are focused on the theoretical session, the stronger practical skills will come out and you can make a better project out of it. Fine. So the session details I have already mentioned. The timing Monday to Friday, 5 p.m. The evening batches will happen. Duration, like each session will be approximately 1 to 1.5 hours of time. This is an online live session that will be happening. The purpose of theoretical session, why we are creating, like giving you the theoretical session, because to build a strong foundation in core concepts. Okay, to understand the fundamental institution and logic behind the algorithm, also to learn and connect with the theory with the real world problems. Okay, and the session workflow, how it will be coming up. Next, it is the concept explanation, step by step explanation with the example. Then the hands on, that is, if it is Excel, I'll be putting it down in the Excel with proper examples, with hands on. Then the interactive discussion. So you have an option of asking question, clearing in your doubt in real time. Like here, only suppose I am making you understand anything. At the same time, if you have any query, any question, then and there you can ask me. I'll provide you the answer. Fine. Moving down for the mini project. So mini project on every Friday after the session, that will be shared on the WhatsApp group in a PDF format. Fine. So it will be shared on every Friday. So each project needs to focus on applying the weekly concepts, like the for from Monday to Friday, what you have learned, the mini project will be based on that. You have to work on that and prepare that. Okay, so as mentioned, the task will be focused, hands-on, so that it strengthens your understanding and makes you confident also. Confident also, right? So you need to complete the task. You need to maintain the deadline. Suppose the deadline, like actually the deadline would be given by Monday before the session, before the presentation. So you need to maintain the deadline. If anyone is not maintaining the deadline, in the evaluation, your points would be deducted. Okay, so you need to very specific, treat it like a, like it is a proper internship, so treat it like that. Okay, so you need to work on the deadlines. You need, if you need to work on extra hours, you need to do that. So you stay dedicated, stay focused. Fine. So moving it down for the presentation session. So on the weeks, Monday and Tuesday would be your presentation session. So there for every one of you, I'll be taking down your presentation from scratch. Everyone will be presenting their project. Okay. So it's not that you just prepare a PPT and show me. That doesn't count it. You have to show me your code, your output, the the learning, everything you need to show me from the point where you have started down the code, from the output that you have achieved till that section you have to give me a clear idea and the proper presentation. Okay, so why presentation is important? Because it makes you more confident, it increases your presentation skills, also your communications. Fine, and be ready for a proper feedback. Okay, once you are done with your presentation is over, I'll be giving you a proper feedback. You need to take it down seriously, improve where it is necessary, and then only you have to submit it. Fine. Moving down. So, what are the expectations from you? So, you'll be active. Your active participation is very much necessary up here. There should be regular submission of the process, of the project that's been given to you, and also there should be proper attendance. Okay, so there should be proper attendance. Like if you are missing out any of the sessions, then that would be also counted up. Fine. So you need to have a open set of mind, like open mindset to work here, and also you have to be open to collaboration and also be respectful to each and everyone, not only your mentor but also your classmates here. Okay. Along with that, you have to be professionalism. Like you need to show professionalism and also be responsible for the task that has been provided to you. So you need to maintain proper integrity and ethics. Along with that, you need to like show proper proactiveness and initiation into any of the task or any of the module that's been shared to you and made you to go ahead with. Okay. Going down, so there would be a proper official WhatsApp group where you will be taken into account, and these are the mail IDs. Okay, so you can note it down. You have this mail IDs on where you will be need to submit your mini project, like first week to 5 week. All would be the mini projects that will be given to you. The sixth week is the final capstone project. So from first week to sixth week, you'll be given in the WhatsApp group a Google form that you need to submit in. Okay. So if like suppose you are done with the submission, then in this mail ID, mini project, sorry, just a moment. Mini project, in this mail ID, you need to submit your project with the details. Like after you are done with the project building, once that is done, you have presented your project up. By then, you have to upload your project in GitHub. Fine. You need to create a GitHub repository for every week project. You need to upload your project in the GitHub. Once that is done, in the mail, in this mail, mini underscore project at the rate gncipl.com. Here you need to share your project. Like first, you will be writing in the body, you will be writing it down. Week one title. What is the project title that will be writing down? The GitHub repository link you'll be attaching up. Fine. And in the sessions only, you have to present your project. Fine. So let's innovate, explore, and create the future together. So, once again, welcome to this journey of data analytics, to this world of data. And by that, this is Abhipsha Guha, the mentor, your mentor for data analytics. Fine. Thank you. So, is it clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Guys, is that
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes,
Everyone?
ma'am.
Anyone having any idea, like any, sorry, anyone having any proper question, any queries out of it? Hopefully, you have noted down the like the mail IDs that I have shared with you. Guys, can you be just interactive because that is very much needed. Like bare minimum one asks from you, right?
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Ma'am, is it a paid or unpaid internship?
Sorry, I just missed out. Can you come again?
Uh, is it paid or unpaid internship?
This has been already clearly given to you, like addressed to you in the mail section, right? If not, please do wait for it. A proper mail you'll be receiving of, and based on that, you'll be getting all of the details. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other queries?
No, ma'am.
You can create like can we create the project in group? No, for the first 5 weeks, the mini projects that are individual projects. The sixth week only would be the group project. Okay, is it clear, Prakhar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So it's and like from tomorrow on, the session will be starting full-fledged. Fine. So accordingly, you need to attend the sessions properly. Along with that, you have to be interactive. Like if you don't speak up, it is not like we can't take it, right? Like that. How we will be continuing it that in that format, right? So you have to be interactive because until and unless you are speaking up, you are communicating or you are showing interest up, how one will take it forward, right? So you need to show your interest up more or more less, like more than that, you need to be interactive. Like without proper interaction, we can't take it forward. Okay. And once we are starting in with the sessions, with the full-fledged sessions, with the hands-on, everything, you need to stay active. You need to open your system with, suppose I am showing you, like suppose the Python codes I am showing it to you, the advanced version of it. So you need to keep your system on or pen or paper ready with you so that you can take down the notes. Fine, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, okay, great. So I do appreciate if you can interact because that is the major thing that is required for anyone. Like you can't see me and I can't see you, right? So this is just the interaction that will take these things forward, right? So it's better if you can interact. And let me just give you the evaluation purpose on what basis your evaluation will be taken into count. First of all, your attendance, that is must. Like that is the one of the key area where your evaluation will be done. Next, the each week the mini project that you will be like submitting on that purpose, your on that perspective actually your details, your how you have actually performed. On that basis, the evaluation will be done. The presentation, how well you are presenting in the session, that in that form the evaluation would be done. Also, how you are interacting in the session each day, every day, how like are you asking questions, how you are interacting, like how are you like engaging, in that format also the evaluation would be done. So the evaluation would be done on this key 4 points, right? Hope you understood.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
great,
ma'am.
fine. Great. So we'll just keep it like that after every day of session. Like after the topics also, we will keep sometimes on. But after every session, like first day, suppose tomorrow I'll go up with the first day of the session. After we are done with the first session, we'll keep a window on for 10 minutes where you can show, like you can interact and give me your doubts or ask any of the related query related to whatever be it, of course, related to the session topics or maybe career oriented. Fine.
Okay.
Great. So we'll just move ahead now. I have explained you each and everything in details. So try and keep these things in mind. And eventually, I'll just need to know you, like who are you, from where you are, and from which university, or are you done with your graduation? Like in which state of life you are in, I just need to know. So kindly, one by one, switch on your mic and tell me about yourself. So do I need to take the names and then you'll be answering? You can go one by one, please. Guys, it is an internship, not a college like lecture. You need to like come up front. You need to just speak it up. Prakhar, can you just tell about yourself? Like a basic thing, like where you are, from where you are, in which university or college you are in. Really, guys, this is very like disturbing. Like I have to ask you multiple of times to answer on that.
Hello, ma'am. May I
Hello.
introduce
Yeah,
myself?
yeah, sure, sure, Prachi.
I'm Prachi and I'm from New Delhi. And currently, I'm pursuing BCom honors from Delhi University.
Okay,
And with that, having the internship with you for the data analyst. That's it.
okay.
Thank you.
Prachi, I just wanted to ask, like you are doing BCom, right, Prachi?
Yes, ma'am.
So, like, why you have decided to do the internship in data analytics?
Actually, ma'am, in my 12th standard, I have IP, which is basically I have Python and SQL. And after that,
Okay,
I don't really have a good guidance in which direction I have to go. Then I had pursued BCom honors. But then after that, my interest showed in data analysis, and I have completed my like learning from Brillika services, which is situated in near my home, like in New Delhi.
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine, got it. Okay, so in which year you are in, Prachi? Like final year?
Third, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, great, great, Prachi. Nice to hear from you. Thanks. So, anyone else wants to put in?
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Uh, Myself, Muskan Salania, and I'm from Deliverables. I have completed my graduation in BSc Mathematics. Then I pursued data analytics course, and recently I have done 1 month remote internship. That's it.
Okay, okay, fine. So, you did mathematics, BSc in mathematics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So, you are like you are done with your graduation. Now you have done like one of the internship you have pursued, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, any other future goals you are having?
Ma'am, uh, I'm interested in this field, and I'm gonna grow and learn this particular field.
Okay, fine. Okay, Muskan. Anyone else, guys?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Myself, Professor Khandelwal, and I am from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I have
Okay,
completed my MBA in Business Analytics from Medical University, and before this, I have done three more internships.
okay, So tell me about your like experience over there.
It was a great experience. It was about 3 months of internship each, and
Okay.
where I have worked upon my skills and to get real world experience of projects.
Okay, fine. Okay, Prakhar. Anyone else?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, my name is Somati Bhattacharya. I am from West Bengal. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech degree from Modern Institute of Engineering Technology under Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. Currently, ma'am, I am in fourth year.
Okay, okay, fine, great. So you are in final year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And where is your university?
West
Sorry,
Bengal, ma'am.
college. Like where
Uh,
in West Bengal?
uh, Hooghly, ma'am. Bandel Hooghly.
Okay, fine. Okay, great, Somati. Okay, fine, great. So, guys, anyone else wants to want to interact actually? Yeah, Prajna, right?
Uh, no, ma'am, it's Progga. Good evening, ma'am, and hello, everyone.
Yeah, you are saying Proga, but it's written as Prajna Mondal. Yes.
Actually, the ma'am pronunciation is like that, Progga.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, please say.
Thank you, ma'am, for introducing myself. My name is Progga Mondal. I'm from West Bengal. I'm currently a final year student and pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Modern Institute of Engineering and Technology College from, sorry, under Macaut University, and pursuing internship under this.
Okay, fine. So I just wanted to know, have you done any other internship previously or anything related to it?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So this would be your first internship, right?
Yes, ma'am. On data
Okay,
analytics.
data analytics. Great, fine. Okay, fine. So we'll move in together. All of you will move in together, learn from very scratch to the advanced. So once again, welcome all of you on board. It's nice to have you all here in the session. So we'll just wrap up our session today here because today is the interactive session, the orientation session it was. So we'll just wrap up our session today here. We'll start from the very basics from as we have discussed. We'll start from basic, very basic from the week one title that we have taken in from tomorrow and eventually we'll move in. So I'll ask you guys to interact more and more because that will also increase your confidence and also will also be like beneficial for you to get the confidence on and also boost your communication skills, right? So here many people are here, so I'll just ask you to just communicate, right? So that would make you a better person in the long run in terms of communication wise and also would be beneficial to like uplift your confidence, right? Fine. So we'll just wrap up our session today. Bye everyone. Bye guys. We'll meet tomorrow then.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.